Son! Get up, son.
What happened?
Nothing. It's time for Fajr prayer. Why don't you sleep in your bed?
I was awake late at night. Some questions kept me awake and thinking, that's why I fell asleep here.
Tell me. Which questions weren't letting you sleep, son?
That why Imam Hasan ibn Ali was martyred?
Why is it so important for you to know?
My religion is Islam, and I want to know why and how our Imam is martyred.
Get up and pray, then I will answer your questions.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, who was occupying the territory of Syria at that time and had achieved his goals, wanted to rule the whole Islamic world. But this was not possible while the Imam was alive.
Baba, what was Muawiyah's plan?
Son! Muawiyah thought in every way that the Imam must be killed. After much thought, Muawiyah decided that he would convince the Imam's wife Ja'dah to poison the Imam to achieve his objective.
God. God. Come here, God.
At your service, sir.
Go and call Amber here immediately.
Sir, you called me? I want you to do a task for me. Please, sir?
Muawiyah offered her that if she poisoned him, he would marry her to his son, Yazid. She acknowledged Muawiyah's words to martyr the Imam.
Baba, how did she do this?
Yes, this event took place in 50 AH.
Baba, how did she completed this work?
She was blinded by the intoxication of wealth. She could see nothing but wealth.
Baba, how did she do it?
She mixed poison in water and gave it to Imam and martyred Imam when he was 45 years old.
I have brought food for you to eat.
God bless you, keep it here.
And the Imam prays to the Lord of the worlds.
O Allah, guide the believers with light, and enrich them with your blessings.
And after the supplication, the Imam ate the food and the effect of the poison began. Then the Imam says that
Mawiyah who promised you will not fulfill his promise. I bear witness that there is only one God.
And it was Imam Hasan who was martyred because of greed of this world.